Hello and welcome to this course, which I title Corporate Planning in the Strategic Planning Framework. My name is Dan Greisenhout and I'm the author of this course. With over 35 years of professional business, IT, and marketing consulting engagements behind me, I am considered to be a high-end enterprise systems architect and project manager, and I've led projects globally valued in the tens of millions of dollars. Some of the Fortune-level clients that I've completed work for include Air Canada and WestJet Airlines, JP Morgan Chase Bank, Gateway Inc., Ernst & Julio Gallo Wines, Blue Cross Blue Shield, TRW, the U.S. Air Force, 3M Health Information Systems, Tongyang Insurance in South Korea, Nextel Communications, MCI, New York Police Department, Hibernia Management Development Corp., which is, by the way, a $1.2 billion offshore drilling venture, Ontario Hydro, and more. At one time, I was a senior consultant with KPMG Pete Marwick and also subsequently the national practice leader for enterprise systems architecture design projects for a 17,000-person IT consulting company called MCI System House. The setting for this course is a high-level business design workshop attended by corporate executives and facilitated by a professional. Through this strategic planning workshop setting, participants get involved to first answer questions and then work collectively to build the corporate mission statement and identify industry forces that affect the business enterprise, resulting ultimately in the formation of business strategy. This is an overview course describing how this work is done at the highest levels of a corporation. Part 2 of the class uses the above information gathered and defined and uses it to issue questionnaires and complete a current systems assessment of the corporation. Putting the two above sections together allows a corporation to identify business and information systems gaps that can be addressed through the strategic planning and project planning exercises, leading to the completion of formal statements of work packages and business cases for those initiatives, both of which are described in overview in this course. Should you be taking the course? Will you decide? But I will say that the course targets those involved in corporate business and/or IT planning. Also, those wishing to become professional management and/or IT consultants should find the content very useful, supporting their ongoing careers. Those with some strategic business planning experience in larger corporate development environments will get the most benefit from these lectures, as this course delivers both knowledge and a working toolkit that you can use to deliver your own high-end planning workshops. The course is also an excellent study area for any business or IT systems managers wanting to learn more about how strategic systems projects should be identified, defined, scoped, and undertaken. If you take this course, you should receive the following benefits from it. You will have the tools that you need to facilitate a business strategic planning workshop. You will understand what goes into and how to construct a corporate mission statement. You will learn what goes into a statement of work and how to develop a business case. And you will learn the strategic planning framework and the steps involved in strategic corporate planning. So if this course content interests you, I encourage you to sign up for this course, and I'll be looking for you on the inside. Bye for now.